Do you struggle with keeping your water treatment process efficient and cost-effective? Are you looking for a solution that can streamline your operations while saving you time and money? Introducing the ETP STP WTP Tank, the ultimate solution for all your water treatment needs. Our innovative tank system is designed to optimize the treatment process, ensuring that you get the best results every time. This not only improves the quality of the treated water but also reduces the amount of chemicals and energy required to achieve the desired results. With its user-friendly interface, the ETP STP WTP tank makes it easy for you to manage and adjust the treatment process according to your specific requirements. Say goodbye to costly and inefficient water treatment processes. With the ETP STP WTP tank, you can save time and money while ensuring the highest quality treatment for your water. Take control of your water treatment process today with the ETP STP WTP tank. Upgrade your operations, save on costs, and improve the quality of your treated water. To know more, contact our mobile number or visit our website, link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.